Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video we're doing another episode of drawing Ninjago characters in my own style. And by popular demand in the comment section we're drawing Nia, the only female ninja of the team. Really looking forward to this one, so let's get drawing. Nia is the current elemental master and ninja of water, and she is Sky's younger sister, one of the other ninjas. During the different seasons, Nia had different outfits, but I chose this one for my drawing because it was a little bit different than the other Ninjago drawings I already did, and it looks cool. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you liked this version of Nia. Which Ninjago character should I draw in the future? Let me know in the comment section, and if you liked this video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend, who would like these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!